Car forensics, trying to get some turn signals working right here. We're going to do this flasher unit test. So positive on 2, ground on 3, and load on 1. Get the full meal deal right there. Okay. So we're going to put positive on 2, ground on 3. This one works. Well, at least it did a little bit ago. So load. So it'll flash a little bit slower with 2 on there. 120 times per minute with 1. So test this was the original one. All it does, it makes a tiny little Anyway. Okay, so that's bad. He's also got a bad turn signal switch in there and a short in the wiring harness. So, thanks for watching. I'll just keep going. Sometimes this stuff takes a little bit. Thanks for the patience.